Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hey, thank you for joining me in my Joyful Living Kitchen. I am so happy you're here. I'm Kathryn Chess, and I'm your nutritionist and Joyful Living coach. And this is Thriving Thursdays, where we take a mindful approach to nourishing not only your body, your life. I'm on a mission to help you discover that the rest of your life, hey, it can be the best of your life. Take a deep breath and know it. Tune in here every Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Pacific time for Thriving Thursdays, where you're going to discover my dynamic, simple strategies and great, healthy, fast, fun, and fabulous foods to live your happiest and healthiest life. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and sign up for my Joyful Living Journal right here on this website, so you don't miss a single episode of either Thriving Thursdays or Mindful Mondays. Yep, I said Mindful Mondays. Every Monday morning at 10:30 a.m. Pacific time, I come on and I give you a mindful jumpstart to make your week fantastic. And I love it. Let's get healthy and well together. Now, let's dive in with my vitalizing tips, specially designed to transform your relationship, not only with food, they help you love, love, love your body and your life. Hey, last week, you learned why eating organic veggies, it's so important. Today, you're going to learn how genetically modified foods, or GMOs, how they can harm your health. So to avoid GMOs, it's super easy. All you need to do is eat organic foods. Yeah, did you know that? Organic foods, they can't contain GMOs. It's just the law, okay? So maybe you're asking, what the heck is a GMO? GMOs are living organisms whose genetic material, it's been artificially manipulated, not just through a cooking class, no, in a lab, through genetic engineering. The scientists, they combine plant, animal, bacteria, and virus genes that do not occur in nature, and they create GMO foods. They specially engineer the food to really withstand the direct application of an herbicide or an insecticide. So they want you to be able to kill off all the little bugs, and so they make these seeds a little bit stronger. So it's claimed that this process, it helps to increase the yield of the plant, and it can help produce more food for our planet. All well and good, right? But there's no telling what kind of chemicals, what kind of pesticides are used in the GMOs. I'm staying with my organic vegetables. Hey, I want to know exactly what's in my food. As I said last week, pesticides, they're made to kill bugs. What makes us and the FDA think that they aren't slowly killing us? Actually, there's a bigger challenge that almost no one is talking about. You know what it is? Did you know the average American only eats 1 to 2 cups of vegetables a day? Yep, 1 to 2 cups. How in the world are we supposed to get our vitamins, our minerals, our nutrients, and our fiber with only 1 to 2 cups of delicious vegetables? It's impossible. You know, I can't say this loud enough. Organic fruits and organic veggies, they're your natural medicine. You can heal yourself with your fork. They're loaded with nutrition, antioxidants, they build your immune system, and they fight off almost any disease. You know, I'm living proof. I haven't been sick in over 15 years. Eating organic veggies, it's so easy. I get a CSA. It's a local box, and it has local and organic vegetables in it. I get it every week. It's delivered right to my doorstep. It comes from a company called Farm Fresh to You, and it's a community-supported agriculture. So I posted their link below, and it's so fun because I get to choose the produce I want. I love their amazingly flavorful fruits and vegetables. You know, they're in California. It's where I live. And if you live out of California, I want you to Google or search on the internet for a CSA. And you're gonna like this food so much better. It just pops in your mouth. You know, I always say, pay now or pay later. Organic veggies, they are a little more expensive. But what is the real cost of purchasing non-organic foods? Eating healthy, and as you stay healthy over and over your lifetime, your cost for medical care and pharmaceuticals, it reduces, or sometimes it just goes away. You really won't even have to go to the doctor. I want you to have compressed morbidity. What that is, you get healthy, you feel fantastic all through your life, and one day you get sick. Maybe you're sick for 2 days, and then you die. Hey, don't we want to feel fantastic every day so we can live our best lives ever? I do. Do you want to simply survive, or would you rather thrive? For vibrant health and to get to your perfect weight, I recommend in my programs that you eat 7 to 10 cups of organic veggies every single day. It really is easy. All you need to do is increase your vegetables by about a half a cup every week. And before you know it, you'll be eating 7 to 10 cups of vegetables daily. So to help you with this, I've developed a great new program to get you more veggies in your diet. It's called Veggie It Up. And I'll give you all the details in just a minute. So the picture is clear. Eating organic fruits and veggies, they have so many benefits for your health and for the environment. Take a stand for your wellness and start eating organic fruits and veggies today. You have the power to put your health in your hands, and it all starts with healthy organic vegetables, a healthy organic diet. I invite you to crowd out the crappy, unhealthy foods that you're eating with vibrant and delicious organic veggies. My clients tell me when they do this, they don't even want that crappy food anymore. After a while, of course. By putting more great nutrients in your body won't have room for food that isn't good for you. So eating more organic, vibrant veggies, it'll help you to discover total joy, total happiness, total bliss, and it'll let your soul shine because you're feeling so darn good. And I made eating vibrant veggies easy and fun. If you want to learn how to make amazingly quick, easy, fast, and delicious veggies, do you want to know the recipes? Check out my Veg It Up video, my cooking series. You can find it right here on my website. It's where I personally come into your kitchen via video, of course, okay? And I show you how to make 27 mouth-watering, plant-based, vibrant veggie dishes. Now stay tuned to learn one of my favorite delicious recipes and to add more veggies to your life, to really relieve your body aches and to heal your organs and feel fantastic. We're going to make my egg drop bone broth soup, so stay tuned. In the meantime, click on the link below, snag your copy of Veggie It Up. It's half price right now for a real limited time. I just want to see you get healthy and well. Try it on, and let's go make some bone broth soup. You're going to love it. You ready to learn one of my favorite healthy pick-me-ups? Really low calorie, but it helps with my joints, my bones, and I just love it. It is a bone broth egg drop soup, but I add vegetables to even make it better. So I use a pre-made bone broth. I used to make my own, but it's so easy. I use Bonafide, but there are so many out there. You can just find one that's organic. And it's been boiling in a pan for a few minutes. So I'm just gonna take one organic pastured egg and I'm going to plop it in. Then I'm adding collagen hydroslate. Oh my gosh, this stuff is fabulous and it melts down. I use Great Lakes, it's one of my favorites. I'm also putting in some miso for my digestion. Collagen, hydroslate. Ooh, my hand's a little tweaked. You'll see how fast this throws together. And sometimes I use green onion, but today I'm going to use a leek. The only thing with leeks is you have to chop them up, and leeks are funny because they get a lot of dirt in them. So if you don't really chop them up well and then rinse them, you're going to have crunchy little dirt granules. And I'm putting in some nori, which is seaweed. This is so good for anyone that has thyroid issues or any adrenal issues, endocrine issues. This is a phenomenal dish. And then I'm adding broccoli sprouts. Oh my gosh. Broccoli sprouts are the sprout that has the most nutrition. And you can see that the egg is now just cooking up. But the last ingredient, or actually 2 more ingredients, I put in arugula, or you can use spinach, whatever floats your boat. So I'm going to put in 2 cups of arugula. Think of eating this in the morning. I recommend 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day, and you've already got 2 cups in here. And then I throw in some salt just to make it yummy, and poof, you've got your egg drop soup. I'm going to let these arugula just dissolve a little bit more, turn off the water, grab my trusty bowl. That's breakfast in about 3 minutes flat. And then I can just sit and savor it and eat it mindfully. That is delicious. Can't wait to see you next week on Thriving Thursdays, but try this. The recipe's below. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Love you. Let's get healthy together.